Alright, this is some info here for the guys who see my anchor online and want to build them one for themselves. Start right back here. This bracket is custom made, and I built it to bolt to the holes that are on this Jackson Coosa HD. And it stands about 4 inches tall, and the pivot point of the back pole is right here. These two braces are 4 feet in length. This plate here is 3.5 by 4. These holes are about 3 inches apart or so. So these holes have to be the same distance as this hole and this hole for it to work out right. This is 1 inch square tubing, 1/8 inch thick. And I designed it so I could fold it down for transport or go under a tree when I'm going down the river. And if you give me a minute, I'll stand it up. All right, there it is in the upright position. I just put a little pin in here, lock it into place. All right, this is the actuator. And there's the model number. It's somewhat water resistant. I wouldn't say it's waterproof. That's why I covered every seam up that I could find with some silicone. And I bought a boot that I'll give you the part number for, to make it more waterproof. Put a hose clamp on that end. Get a better picture in a second. This is a 3/4 inch fiberglass rod. I think the total length on it's about 53 inches. And run the wiring through the hole. Got a little quick disconnect right there so I can unhook it. And on this Jackson, I put me a rocker switch right here. Just wired up reverse polarity. I can hit it with my foot for it going down. And hit this to bring it back up. Here's my battery. Got it wired up to a switch. You can Google how to do a reverse polarity if you don't know how. Pretty simple. Let me run it back down. I think I get about 7 feet of reach out of this, maybe not quite 7. There you can see that I just put this boot on and clamped it down. Try to keep the water out down here in the motor. We got a 3/8 stainless steel bolt running through the aluminum here with a spacer right here. You got to have lock nuts so you can allow for movement. Same down here. This is the boot. CV boot, ordered from Amazon. There's part number. And works pretty good. I like it anyway. Raise it up. Pull the pin. Falls down flat.